Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlight on 2007 Honda Ridgeline full guide. Begin by parking, disconnecting the battery, and gathering tools like a screwdriver, socket set, and replacement bulb. Keep the area well lit and organize fasteners so you don't lose any pieces. I'll walk you through accessing the housing, removing the old bulb, and installing the new one while checking alignment and testing the light. Now we'll create access by loosening the bumper area and inner fender liner so you can reach the headlight assembly without forcing parts. Carefully remove clips and bolts, keeping them in a labeled container. Gently pull the bumper cover outward just enough to access the headlight fasteners and support the bumper while you work. This prevents broken tabs and scratched paint and makes the rest of the job much smoother and safer. With access gained, disconnect the wiring harness and unclip the retaining ring to remove the old bulb carefully. Handle the new bulb with a clean cloth or gloves to avoid oils, insert it fully, and secure the ring before reconnecting the harness. Reposition the housing, reinstall bolts and clips, and ensure everything sits flush. Finish by reconnecting the negative battery terminal and testing high and low beams for proper function and alignment.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.